Victoria on the move. Lawrence Victoria shakes off the D and puts it in for 2.
Good control on that.
6 seconds in the shot clock for Pasay. Victoria makes his move. Step back 3. Yes,
Wow. That was a good separation.
Bonifacio was able to carve out the space. Victoria though. Yan yung sinasabi mong marami na talaga silang galaw ngayon.
Saan ganda, very.
Victoria sparked this this Pasay team here in the second quarter. 10 points para kay Lawrence.
You can see the pick and roll play by Victoria. Banking that shot, that three-pointer. Ngayon, parang ang taas na ng kumpiyansa niya. The first part of the game, medyo hindi pa niya nakakabapat. Here, friends.
Victoria. On the move, Lawrence Victoria.
Parang biglang nawala yung depensa eh. Just penetrating on the middle.
That was really poor transition defense from Negros. Ang una-una mong bibigilan yung Victoria sinks. Ito si Lawrence Victoria. 15. Lost it. Coronel, the Reverente gets it to Victoria. And Lawrence Victoria. A couple of turnovers. Run. And Pasay, that ball touching the ground eventually. And Lawrence Victoria getting his 17th point of the ball game. Victoria, hang time move, and Lawrence Victoria, 19 points in the ball game. Dito sa Phil Oil Eco Center in San Juan as Lawrence Victoria at the line.
With 21 points, 5 rebounds, and 4 assists. Make that
Nice to have a go-to guy if you're Pasay and things don't go your way.